Good morning everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will explore how to use Midjourney, a program for generating images based on artificial intelligence. Midjourney uses text-to-image technology that allows highly realistic images to be created from text descriptions called prompts. What we will do today is see how to make the most of its potential. Here you can see that by doing a search on Google or whatever you use, it is possible to access Midjourney's homepage. What I'm showing you today is the web version, but know that there is also a desktop application, a mobile app, where you can use it directly from Discord. At the bottom, you will see buttons to log in or sign up, and you can see that access is available via Google or directly with your Discord account. Once logged in, this is the screen you will see. At the top, you will find the image generation bar, where we will enter our prompt. In the main section, you can see the images generated by other users. It's important to note that currently generating images requires a monthly or annual subscription. In fact, if we try to enter a prompt, a screen will appear where we can choose the subscription plan that best suits our needs. Once subscribed, you can also modify how images are displayed. For example, you can view images randomly or the ones with the most likes for the day. Now let's try creating our first image. To start, we will type a simple generic prompt, like a dog running in a file. Be sure to write it in English, as the program only accepts prompts in English. Alright, let's click enter, and the images start generating. When the images start generating, we will find them in the Create section on the side. As you can see, the program is generating 4 images. Each generation produces 4 variations of the requested image. And here they are. Perfect. Next, let's see how to make adjustments to the results. In the same creation screen, we can ask Midjourney to generate variations of one or more images we have already made. For example, if we want to see other variation for this image, all we need to do is click on Vary and select Subtle for a minor variation. Let's click and the generation will start, as you can see here. Or the other alternative is choose Strong for a greater variation. Here we can see the difference between the two generations. Now let's take a quick look on the other editing options. The Upscale tool with subtle or creative options that lets you double the quality of the image. Then we have the editor tool that is very useful. It lets you change the prompt and add specific details to the image. Let's try something. We can add sunglasses to our dog by highlighting the area where we want to place the new item. The editor also lets us make the image larger or smaller. Okay, let's take a look to the results. Sometimes the program may add details we didn't ask for, as in this case. Now I'm gonna show you how to remove them. Open the editor, select the part you want to delete, and press enter. Midjourney often adds unwanted details when we use prompts that are too general, like in this example. So the more precise we are, the closer the result will be. similar to what we have in mind. To finish, let's go back to the main page where I want to show you how to use the prompts used by other users to create more images. By opening any image, you can see the prompts on the side. Below, there are three options: prompt, style, and image. Clicking on prompt, the prompt is directly copied on the bar at the top, where you can click enter to generate similar images or adjust it to fit your ideas. Clicking on style lets you copy the style of the image. For example, in this case, we can see that the user added Wes Henderson style. So let's try adding our home text prompt to the bar. And before hitting enter, I will quickly show you how to adjust image generation settings. Here on the side, we can change the image size, stylization, weirdness, and the amount of variation we want among the 4 images created. Let's press enter and wait a few seconds for the final result. And here is our dog in Wes Henderson style. Of course, the results also depend on the setting we selected. In fact, even small changes can lead to very different images. The third option allows us to use the entire image as inspiration. Let's write our text prompt and press enter. I want to show you also a small bonus feature that I think is the most useful. You can use the subject of an image to create other images. This allows us to create different photos with the same subject, which is helpful if we are making a series of illustrations, for example. Let's try something. Let's take the girl from this image, click here, and select subject. We will add a description of the setting where we want to place her, then hit enter. Now we can see the results, and it's the same girl as before. You can also upload your own images. Just click on this icon near the bar. All the tools we just saw also work with images you upload. You can even include multiple images in the same prompt. For example, you can use the style of one image and the subject of another. Let's give it a try. We will use this girl as the subject. And the style from this image we looked at as before. Then we add a prompt describing what we want to generate. Press enter. And now we'll check our images. That's the end of this guide to Midjourney. If you enjoyed this video, check out the other guides on the channel, and see you next time.